Hello, welcome to my new series on parts of speech, and today we are going to start with nouns. Okay, remember in childhood we used to play a game called Name, Place, Animal Thing, and where people had to write the respective name of somebody's name, the name of a place, name of an animal, name of a thing. Okay, and then lastly we would all tally it and see if somebody has written it incorrectly or not, and then give numbers, corresponding numbers to it, and accordingly the winner would be chosen, right? So that game is a very good way of understanding what nouns are, because nouns also by definition are naming words. They help us to name people, places, things, objects. Okay, but they're not limited to it, is something that we have to remember. Nouns also, so whatever you can see around you and can name it would be a noun. But whatever you cannot see is also a noun. For example, your feelings, your emotions, your state of being, or abstract concepts. For example, justice, democracy, right? Values and virtues like wisdom, truth, honesty. These are all also nouns. So we can define nouns as naming words that are used to describe name, place, animal, thing, and also abstract concepts, ideas, and feelings, right? So we've understood what nouns are, and comment down below and tell me, according to this definition, how many nouns can you think of in 10 seconds, and I will tell you if it's right or wrong. Okay, so now nouns also have a classification because there are different types of nouns, right? Now we'll start with the first one, which is a proper noun, and it's the most commonly used also. Okay, very easy to understand, we'll see. So, proper noun, as you can see by the name, is something that is proper, specific, unique, something that only exists as one in number in the world. Okay, and what would be the most obvious example of that? You, your name. So my name Garima is also a proper noun. But now you will say that मैम गरिमा नाम के तो और भी लोग होते हैं दुनिया में, तो ये proper noun कैसे हुआ? You're right. There are more people having the same name Garima, but here the name Garima refers to me as a person, my identity, which is unique. Okay? मेरे जैसा तो एक ही है ना दुनिया में, मेरे जैसे नाम और है, but here the name is referring to me as a person, my identity. That is why it is a proper noun. Okay? The city I live in, Gurgaon, Delhi, proper nouns. The country I live in, India, a proper noun. Okay? So these are all proper nouns, but that's not an absolute and accurate way of understanding and spotting what are proper nouns. We have to understand it vis-a-vis common nouns so that we don't make a mistake, as the most commonly made mistake is people misrepresenting common noun as a proper noun and vice versa. Okay. So as I've told you, proper noun is something that is specific and unique. Okay. So the thumb rule to understand it is that it would be one in number. वो एक ही होगा दुनिया में और नहीं होंगे, right? For example, country. Now country is a common noun because there are so many countries. But India is a proper noun as there is only one country named India. The word city. City word is a common noun because there are so many cities. But New Delhi, Gurgaon, Jaipur, Mumbai, these are proper nouns because ये इस नाम के ये एक ही city है. मुंबई शहर एक ही है पूरे दुनिया में. So the word Mumbai would be a proper noun, but the word city would be a common noun. Okay? Similarly, Canada, USA, London, these are all proper nouns क्योंकि ये एक ही हैं, right? The word organization, the word company, it's a common noun because बहुत सारी companies and organizations हैं. But the word Microsoft, Google, Facebook, Oracle, Tata, these are all proper nouns because they are only one in number. ये एक ही companies हैं और companies नहीं हैं ऐसी इस नाम की. Okay? Very confusing. The word animal. Now animal is also a common noun because बहुत सारे animals है ना? In fact, the word lion or the word dog is also a common noun because बहुत सारे lions हैं, बहुत सारे dogs हैं. But the word Royal Bengal tiger, now this refers to a specific kind of tiger. that is a proper noun. Okay, and what if I name my dog Cookie? So now the word cookie referring to my dog would be a proper noun because मेरा जो dog है Cookie वो एक ही है, but dogs बहुत सारे हैं, so the word dog would be a common noun. Okay, the word day, again common noun because बहुत सारे days है, 7 days in a week, but the word Monday would be a proper noun because वो एक ही है, right? The word month, again a common noun because there are 12 months in a year, but the word January, February is a proper noun because वो एक ही है, right? The word holiday, again a common noun because there are so many holidays and so many events, but if I refer to Independence Day or Diwali, Holi, again a festival or a holiday which is unique, which is only one in number, so that would be a proper noun, right? Now it's very easy, I'm sure now it's very easy for you to identify a proper noun from a common noun. Okay, so I'm going to give you a list of words and you have to tell me what are the proper nouns in that and what are the common nouns in it, and I will also reply if it is correct or not, right? And please stay tuned and please watch my next video because I'm going to tell you the functional usage and importance of proper nouns, so that not only can you identify what a proper noun is, but also you know how to use it correctly in a sentence so that you make grammatically correct sentences and make your English and grammar sound correct all the time. So thank you and stay tuned.